This is where the babies, the twins, Romulus and Remus float from. In the local language, it is called Tevere. Tevere. So ये जो city है, it's a very 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 old city, ancient civilization, ancient Roman civilization. It was founded in the year 753 BC, so very old, and nothing, everything is ancient here. That is why the roads also, they are not so good. Those of course they have done up in the recent years in the last 100 years, but any building in particular has not been built after World War II. There's just very few museums. There's just one museum and very few constructions that have been done after World War II. But if you see by the total construction of all of the buildings here in Rome, nothing is new. They say if you dig up any part of Rome, you are bound to find an archaeological find. क्योंकि कुछ भी dig up करते हैं, they find a city, they find some baths, they find some sculptures, they find some ornaments. So anything dug up, you'll find something. Even now in recent times, they find new findings. These are little gardens also. So royal families at one point, like the senators and their families, used to own big villas. Now of course these are public gardens. They have timings to visit. Even public transport is quite good. It's not very diverse. It depends on the zone pass that you pick. So this, you see these electric buses. Again, you can buy a pass for the day and आप बस यूज़ कर सकते हो, मेट्रो यूज़ कर सकते हो, ट्रैम यूज़ कर सकते हो. आगे जो आप देख रहे हो शिवाजी महाराज याद है आपको, वेनिस के, on top of the white marble building, that's the statue of Victor Emmanuel. Now we will be going ahead, and on the left hand side you are going to see a very big park like field. किसी ने Ben Hur मूवी देखी है? Yeah, so Ben Hur, if you have seen, it is the games, the chariot races. So that time, how did they entertain themselves? Through the chariot races. So 7 laps लेते थे, and there were multiple horses, chariots. हर हॉर्स के कलर्स होते थे, रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू, येलो, जो भी कलर्स, एंड दे वुड रेस अगेंस्ट वन अनदर. इट वाज अ वेरी बिग इवेंट हियर. एंड द चैरियट्स फॉर वेदर लाइट, वो लेदर के बने होते थे तो बहुत लाइट होता था. सो ऑन द लेफ्ट द होल मैदान यू सी, दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्कस मैक्सिमस, वेरी फेमस ग्राउंड. नाउ इवन concerts and all are, and it's a place of concerts. Now on the top that you see the ruins, this is where Rome was founded. जो ऊपर देख रहे हो ये पहले महल हुआ करता था. This is the Palatine Hill. Remember I was talking about 7 hills. तो ये Palatine Hill है, ये महल हुआ करता था. Everything was covered in marble. This has been destroyed over the years. So the word palace has come from Palatine, the Latin word. So most of our English words have come from Latin words. This tree is very famous characteristic of Rome. These are the umbrella pine trees. If you see, ये umbrella की तरह दिखते हैं. Umbrella pine trees. Soon we'll be getting off. जब हम उतरेंगे, you can just carry your phone. No need to carry bags or anything. If you want to carry some light money, you can carry, but nothing else required. We'll be stopping for some time, 50-20 minutes, for a picture by the Colosseum. And there's also the Ark of Constantine. Can you lift the blinders please? Jasper, could you lift, because me in his front. So on the left is the Palatine Hill, and in front of us is the Ark of Constantine, very famous ark. इट्स अ ट्रायम्फल आर्क। वो लोग ये आर्क्स क्यों रखते थे, इरेक्ट क्यों करते थे, क्योंकि जिन जिन के विनिंग्स होते थे, विक्ट्रीज होते थे, दे हैड टू शो दैट दे हैव वन। दिस एंटायर थिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट इज द पैलेटाइन हिल, मीन्स अ पैलेस यहाँ पे हुआ करता था। वेरी वेरी वास्ट। And behind the arc on the left hand side is a Roman Forum, the marketplace, जहाँ पे meetings होती थी। In front of you the Colosseum.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's big. And यहाँ पे होते थे gladiator fights. Man used to fight with man. Animal used to fight with man. Exotic wild animals. आप छेद देख रहे हो? यहाँ पे poles होते थे. Steel poles, and they all were pulled out because people used to sell those materials and raise other objects. So it is so huge. It is like 2 stages in one, round karke. You know, one stage is normally semicircle with the seating. So this is 2 stages together with one. 50,000 लोग बैठ सकते थे अंदर, 50,000. And on top there was a roof. Imagine this. Okay, 72 AD में ये बना था. 80 AD में complete हुआ था, and this was completely in marble. They pulled out all the marble and all you see are the inside stonework. The part you see on the right hand side, the front part, that is just added so that to give support to the Colosseum. But originally the part on the left is the original structure. This is a amphitheater for gladiator fights. Gladius in Latin means sword. So जो sword पकड़ता था उनको बोलते थे gladiator. Inside it is only ruins, जैसे बाहर you can see. So inside it is only ruins. And यहाँ पे gladiators को बहुत बड़ा दर्जा दिया जाता था. The blood, the sweat of the gladiators used to be sold. क्योंकि उस टाइम WhatsApp नहीं था, Instagram नहीं था, Facebook नहीं था. So what do the people do? So they erect this amphitheater and they entertain the public. That way they would get the votes of the kings, the emperors. Okay, we're going to get down. We'll walk up to the Colosseum so that you all can take some pictures, and then we'll come back to the coach.